Importante ito for Josh Lia. Mukhang masasakit ang mga eksena. How was the experience working together in a film at meron bang mga eksena na hinugutan niyo ang past experiences niyo while filming? Are you that, ganun bang actors kayo? Hugot sa past experiences?
Sige ako na. Okay. Hindi maiwasan. Hindi maiwasan na humugod sa past. But I think bilang aktor, nasa sayo na rin yan kung paano mo siya babawasan man lang. Yung nararamdaman mo. Just to protect yourself lang din. Dun sa pain na naramdaman mo. Kumbaga kung kailangan mong humugod.
Grabe yung pain mo sa trailer pala. Parang
Hindi
sobrang
naman.
pained ka.
Hindi naman.
Okay.
Ayun, yun. Parang ganun.
Jul, ikaw ba are you the type of actress who makes hugot sa experiences? Who makes hugot?
I don't know, I think ayoko naman i-spoil masyado yung naging process namin ni Josh kasi it's such an intimate one and na kami lang talagang magkakaintindihan habang ginagawa namin to. But siguro ginawa naming inspiration mas lalo yung happy memories namin. Kasi sa pelikulang to, matatrack din natin yung sa nakita nyo naman, mapapanood nyo yung naging journey ni Zai and ni Wancho. And you know, I was really looking forward to coming together to make this film and recreate those happy memories that we really built so much in the past.
Talino mo ta, sarap mong pakinggan. Barreto.
Thank you.
Of course, the question is for yung matatapang nating writer na kung paano nila to nagawa at makonvince na napagwagian ng Viva at Star Cinema mapagsama sila together. Alam ko maraming offers na they want together, pero Star Cinema and Viva ang nakabuo. What made you write this type of story though, Miss Kukay and Miss Crystal?
Of course, we're joined by one of our co-writers also, si Jen, who's not here with us, and si Simon, yung isa sa mga bumuo ng story with us. Siguro, when we were just thinking of the project, talagang nag-iisip lang kami kung ano kaya magandang, kasi it's been a while since we had the love story for Star Cinema. And iniisip lang talaga namin, ano kaya yung generation ngayon, paano kaya sila magmahal? Ano rin kaya yung mga mag-stop sa kanila, ano yung mga binibitbit nila when coming into a relationship, ano yung mga factors na iniisip nila kung dapat ba magtatagal or hindi ang isang relasyon. Siguro isa rin yan sa mga naging inspiration namin while writing the story. And to be honest, it's been parang before the pandemic pa, gusto na talaga namin gumawa ng Joshua and Julia film. Pero hindi natutuloy.
True.
Pero we were so grateful that they both agreed to do this project. And we're here now. Na-inspired din kami actually sa Paubaya na music video.
I know.
When we watched it, parang
Sa kanila.
it was just so real for the two of them. And yun, gusto lang namin ikwento kung paano na ba din magmahal yung generation ngayon, di ba? Direk, kung parang paano na sila, do they really hold on? Kasi diba yung previous generation parang matiisin masyado in the relationship. So I don't know if na-try namin na makwento kung paano yung si Zai at si Wancho magmahal.
I'm sorry, the characters are Zai?
Zai and Wancho.
Wancho.
Tali, wanna add to it?
Ayan, Miss Crystal.
Hello po. Siguro when we were also, nung binubuo namin din yung story, we were looking for a very relatable one. Diba? Na nakita naman natin yung kwento na two broken people, diba? Na magkikita ulit. Tapos may, syempre diba, sa relationship naman kapag natatapos siya, may galit, may sakit, diba? At ang tanong talaga, may pagmamahal pa ba? Diba? So yun. So ang daming what ifs. Pero
Correct.
ang dulong tanong, what now? Diba? After all that what ifs. Anong gagawin? So yun.
Ayun. Thank you, Miss Crystal. Of course, tatanungin na rin natin ang ating director mula sa papabalik tamis sa teaser. Ngayon naman ay ramdam ang init, lasap ang pait at tumatagos ang sakit sa trailer. Ano pang experience ang may expect ng mga tao sa pagbabalik ng Josh Lia? That's for Direk Peterson. Kasi ang ganda ng trailer, inano na. Andun na lahat ng elements ng emosyon.
Right. Siguro, itutuloy ko lang yung nasimula nila Kukay na sinasabi niya na tinatrack namin ngayon kung paano magmahal yung generation ngayon. Pero I think, gusto rin natin ipakita kung paano sila masaktan. And I think, we Filipinos like to see, di ba, to mirror that in a cinematic experience. So, parang, yun, bumuo lang talaga kami ng pelikula na ang real nung sakit. I think parang it feels so fresh and current. And for Josh Leah, I think, because when I watch their films, kahit masaya sila panoorin, pero alam mong if you go to that like real painful dramatic route, mapupush pa natin sila. So I was really excited to push that diba, that dramatic journey with them.
First time mong mag-direct ng bida ay former mga exes?
Oo.
Kasi if you name it, iba yung route mo dito na tinahak eh.
Yeah, and I think parang, yun nga, parang tama yung sinabi ni Ju kanina na sometimes I give them space because they seem to have this very intimate personal
Sila lang ang
process about
nakakaramdam.
making the scene. So, they were so generous for sharing
Of
themselves
course,
in this
they're great actors, no? Direct. Sarap, no? Okay. Justin, babasahin ko yata itong question from Reggie Bono. And Reg, would you want this read o ikaw o ako? Ako na lang. The question's for Reggie Bono and this is for Joshua and Julia. Nakakatuwa na balik na ang Josh Leah. Please take us back kung paano ito in-offer sa inyo at nag-guess ka ba agad and why? At ano ang namimiss nyo sa isa't isa? How was this offered? Pre-pandemic pa ba to? At may tawanan ng creatives, mukhang may inside story tayo ah.
During the pandemic, parang we were receiving na calls and then setting meetings about it. Tapos, originally, iba yung kwento niya and then years later, pa-evolve na yung material. And I think it really boils down to the right time and the right script. So, it's a feeling naman when you know na it's time and when the script is right for the two of us. So, I was on board, of course, right away.
No talaga? Good to hear that. Ito si Joshua kasi, nung in-offer sa'yo ito, ang dami mong ginagawa. Left and right yung teleseries.
Yeah, actually, after Paubayan, nagka-offer na kami. Tapos this
The
was
controversial Paubayan music video.
with Black Sheep pa to, nung una. Kaya lang hindi na talaga kasi parang hindi pa yung tamang panahon para gawin yun. And then after 5 years, doon na nangyari.
5
Pag-pitch sa amin, parang ang dami ng ideas bigla, bakit hindi ganito, ganyan. So parang ang saya din nung moment na yun. That's why, nung unang pitch nila sa akin, sabi ko, game ako, gawin natin to, masaya to. Diba?
Na-miss niyo isa't isa? Ay, wala akong pinupush ha. Sinatanong ko lang kung na-miss sila sa
Of course,
isa.
of course. Namiss ko yung may ka-eksena na
Napakahusay mo.
naiintindihan yung nararamdaman ko, alam mo yun.
Oh my God!
Iba rin yung ganun diba? Yan. And lumalabas siya sa scene talaga. Diba?
Yes, oo.
Yeah. And namiss ko yung mga tawanan namin. Diba? Hindi lang kami, I mean, lahat tayo, diba, sa set.
Oo, masaya kami lahat sa
Yeah.
set. Sobra. Yung mga kasama natin, sabi nila, oh, yeah.
It's the music. No?
Galing naman kasi ng ating scorer today, spinner, pa-music. Hindi ko mabasa, sorry. You have to come here. Okay, so before I give the microphone for the set of questions, tanungin ko na yung ating napakahusay na cast. How did you become part of this project? Let's start with Bianca. May ano ba to? May pa-audition ba sa Derek Peterson? May ganyan ba? Or what? And baka lang hindi namin napanood kayo sa trailer, please make us kwento about your role, B.
Well, yung role ko here, it's very short, but I can say na it was very memorable shooting with them and it was such an honor, shooting with all of them. Kahit ilang araw lang yun, I flew in sa Bicol and...
You were part of the
talagang-
Bicol group.
Opo. And then, parang they really made me feel like I was at home lang. Parang hindi na kailangan ng warm-up. And then, it's such a dream come true also working with Josh Leah. Kasi actually, hindi yun. Nung high school kasi ako, hindi ako makakonsentrate sa math exam ko nun. Kasi iniiyakan ko yung paubayang music video nila. Tapos ngayon, parang nakaka-work kasi na such a dream come true. So, ayun.
Ito, lagi bumabalik sa paubaya, ano?
Yes.
Like, I was talking to Alan Diones and Ana Pingol kanina. May sinabi silang word, pero huwag na sa akin manggaling. Pero, talagang this made a statement kasi sa Josh Lia ng time na yun, di ba? Wala na kayo noon, pero nag-together kayo just for the music video. Ang ganda nila ang gusto kong sabihin. Charot. Aljon! Ikaw medyo busy-busy ka lately, ha? Hi na, kamusta? Paano ka naging part ng project?
So, medyo ilang months din po na nagpahinga ako from acting.
Talaga, pero lagi
yes
kitang
po.
nakikita.
Talaga po.
Everywhere. Hindi, I mean sa...
Baka sa IG nakita, sir. Sa IG.
Alam mo.
Baka na-stalk nyo.
Mga shirtless men.
No, joke lang.
But you cannot see it.
Huwag mo simulan Joshua, ha? Huwag mo simulan Joshua. Hindi kasi
Joke lang.
Sa Dreamscape siya nagsimula. Sa
Yes po, sa Sandugo, pre-pandemic.
True.
Pero, and first movie ko po ito. So, I'm very grateful na...
First lang baon na naman, gulat-gulatan na naman ako sa mga talaga. First ba?
Yes po, very grateful talaga. Hindi ako nag-expect na papasali ako sa movie. Tapos,
Pero si Derek yata may regrets. Chare!
No regrets at
Just kidding.
pero nung sinabi po nila sa akin, sobrang excited lang po talaga ako. As in, no expectations at all. Sabi ko, gagawin ko lang talaga to kasi excited ako mag-acting ulit.
Of course. And of course, ay, gulat-gulatan. Ay, Bong!
Yes.
Mukhang special ang role mo.
We'll see.
Wow!
Heavy. Hindi, nakuha ko po tong role na to. Ay, ang role ko po pala si Lay. My name is Lay. And ako po,
Character mo yan.
yes, ako po
Aha.
ang nag-iisang kapatid. Julia Barreto.
Seryoso?
O, di ba? Nagulat din. Kasi nung sinabi niya sa
Grabe ka naman. Ang ganda-ganda.
Gulat-gulatan
nito.
lang ako.
Ako din nagulat nung sinabihan ako ni Derek P. tsaka ni Sir Miko about this role. Sinabihan nila ako na kailangan ng Keki Sir sa movie na to. Tapos kapatid pa ni Julia, so nagpaganda talaga ako. Ayun talaga yung pressure ko.
Actually, achieve naman tonight.
Paano ako papantay sa ganda ni Ate Julia? Kasi,
Barreto yan.
Yes,
di ba?
Barreto. Kaya ang tawag nila sa akin, Bong Barreto.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Jajamanin, di ba?
Oo. Kaya abangan na lang po natin ano magiging eksena ng Keki Sir.
I'm
sa
happy
movie.
for you. You get the part ka ng magagandang projects, Bong.
Julia.
Kasi dati pa TikTok ka lang. Okay, thank you. Ayun. Kyla, do you ever rest? I mean, kasi left and right ang shows mo, tapos may movie, tapos may isa ka pa.
Pero ako, grateful lang din ako na kasama ako sa movie na to. When they told me about it, I was also very excited to be part of it. Kahit di ko pa alam kung anong yung role. Sabi ko, yes,
Oo,
let's
agad.
go. Talaga, game na ako. And of course, I've been wanting to work with Derek Peterson as well.
First time?
Yeah, first time. And of course, si Josh nakatrabaho ko na napakahusay. Sa Viral Scandal po. Teleserye, yes.
maganda
And si
yun.
Julia, it was so nice to work with her. Parang immediately nag-click kami. So, ang ganda lang ng experience. Especially lahat
Pero kasi
ng...
maganda at matalino.
Kami magkakasama lahat sa
Ay,
Bicol,
wow.
lahat kami. Sobrang naging organic yung connection
Okay.
namin. Kaya parang ang sarap mag-work.
I'm sure happy rin naman yung dalawa katrabaho.
Yung set and of course yung bonding naming lahat. Ang role ko po dito, pangalan ko dito si Aya. Ako yung business partner at best friend ni Juancho, yung character ni Joshua.
Alright. Hindi ko na kasi sila naman nakitang-kita na yung role ni Joshua at ni Julia. I heard, ang galing-galing mo raw, you're from PETA, and then, what's your role here?
The name of my role in this film is Ate Lala. Parang ako yung nag-iisang rose amongst the thorns sa Casa Rosa, which is the restaurant
An
owned
all-boy group.
Juancho. Tapos, I'm very grateful to Peterson kasi karamihan ng mga pelikula niya, sinasali niya.
Wow, ang lakas mo sa
Favorite.
directing.
Oo. Meron-
So hindi mo to first, nagawa ka, first ka nang nauna.
Ah.
Not first nga, nauna, natural, di ba?
So, I was too cool to be forgotten. Nakakasama ko na si P. Thank you, P.
Thank you, Miss Man.